Hey, good morning guys. It is Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024. Air temp this morning, 60 degrees. Actually back in shorts again. Water temp, 56 degrees even. It's supposed to be mostly cloudy today, high in the 70s. And it's supposed to get some east wind about 10 miles an hour later in the day. So let's go see what we can do. Bye. Got one. Boy, he barely hit it. Really got hooked too. Well, at least it's a fish, number one. Just getting ready to leave. Now I may have to stay a little bit. Airboat out of here. That one would go about a little over 2 pounds maybe. He slammed it and took off running with it. It's number 2. GoPro, stop recording. Okay guys, it's Wednesday. I'm finally getting around to editing and getting this video posted. Man, today's a beautiful day. Yesterday was nice, but man, today is really nice. Wish I was out, but I'll be out tomorrow. It's supposed to be just as nice, if not nicer. Low in the upper 60s overnight and up in 82 again tomorrow. So that shallows ought to start warming up. Yesterday wasn't a great day. I didn't catch my first fish till I'd been out for about an hour and a half. And it was small. It was maybe 3/4 of a pound, but I was happy to have it. And I didn't catch another one again till about 1 o'clock, right before I was gonna come in. And it was about 2 1/4. Both of them came on a swim bait. But anyway, I'll go out and try it again tomorrow. I've had a few guys ask if I've seen bedding fish. Normally, I don't see bedding fish on this lake. I have a theory. It may be right or it may be wrong. You tell me. The bottom of this lake is so mucky that I don't think the fish lay their eggs in the normal places. I think they lay them in the lily pads on the big trunks or main stems of the lily pad where it's a little cleaner, and you're not going to see them down there. All the bigger fish I have caught that are full of eggs have all come out of the pads. I've caught, over the last 4 years, I've caught 6 trophies, and every one of them been out of the pads. But anyway, that's just my thoughts. I don't know if it's right or wrong. Let me know. And oh, hey, go Kansas City Chiefs. We're still in it, baby. Talk to you later.